kimchi, tofu, salad, garlic. Not bad. In today's video, I will be cooking a tofu dish. I'm not a good cook and I'm improvising it, so I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out. I'm gonna use this extra firm tofu and some kimchi. That's basically all I have. And a shallot and garlic, soy sauce, and some plum syrup. I think it would have been better if I had scallions, but I don't have them, so we'll see. I cut it this thick and this big. Cooking is not fun, but I know some people really enjoy cooking. You have to eat and you have to cook, and if you enjoy the process, it's great. 1 cup of brown rice with 1.5 cup of water. 1 cup. I don't know if I have to rinse the rice, but I'll rinse it a couple times. Can't find the lid for the pot, but I'll just use this lid, which is a lot bigger, but I think it works. Then shallot and all the garlic, 3 big cloves. This is very annoying. Mince the garlic and then sauce. Again, I'm improvising it and I'm not an experienced cook, so I'm not sure. I'm gonna use kimchi, and kimchi has some kimchi soup, so I'm not gonna use too much soy sauce. 2. 1 plum syrup and some pepper. This much. The rice is boiling, so turn the heat down, simmer for 45 minutes. Spicy, good. I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes before I start the tofu and kimchi, because the rice is gonna take 45 minutes. Okay, let's wait. Okay, we're back. So next, stir fry kimchi. Adding some vegetable oil. Not gonna add the soup yet. Soup, juice, I don't know what you call it. Smells good. My mom used to make stir fry kimchi with some pork. Was one of my favorites. I don't cook meat a lot at home because you have to cut it, and I don't like touching raw meat. I mean, who likes it? Oh, I forgot the onions, the shallot. I'll just add it now. Oh, also I forgot to add garlic to the sauce I made earlier. Kimchi and onion. Kimchi is ready, so I'm moving it to a bowl. Adding tofu to the pan. Some of them are a lot thicker than others. Ow, ow! Flipping the tofu. This is too noisy. While they're being cooked, I'm gonna do 50 squats. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, perfect. Adding the kimchi juice, some water, half a cup, and adding the sauce, stirring it in. It's like soup, which is not my original intention. Cooking it on high heat, and the rice is gonna be ready in 8 minutes. Oh, okay. Gonna add kimchi. I'll add it later because I don't want it to taste like kimchi soup. So I can clean up a little bit, putting the rice back. This happens to me a lot. I put this spatula in the sink, but I need to use it. Okay, looks good. Now I'm gonna add kimchi in. I'm turning the heat down. I'm gonna have a sip. Good. Cook through. Let me taste the tofu. A little boring. Tastes like kimchi. It's spicy. It's missing something. Maybe I'll add some honey. This soy sauce is lighter than the one I used earlier when I made the sauce. So I think it's okay to add it more. Now tofu is all mushed. You have to chew it anyway, so it's all the same. Better. Not great, but good enough. Good enough. Oh, spoon. And I'll just put tofu over rice. Make it tofu over rice. Light off. This is gonna be my lunch. Whiskey and tofu over rice. Not bad. I'm gonna watch some TV while eating. Have a good day.